In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps on how to share your Amazon Prime account membership and extend the benefits to family and friends. It's pretty quick and easy, and it works on both iPhone and Android devices. The first thing that we will do is to open our Amazon application and make sure that you are logged into your Amazon account. Now you want to tap on this little profile icon at the bottom and we'll get to this page. Click on the Your Account section, and that is going to open this menu with a bunch of different options and settings related to our Amazon account. In order to share our Amazon Prime account membership, we have to find an option that's called Manage Your Household. You will then proceed to the next page, and you'll see this interface where we can choose from 3 different options. We can select if we want to add an adult, a teen, or a child to our membership. You can add a maximum of 2 adult profiles, 4 teen profiles, and 4 child profiles to your Amazon Prime account. So choose your option, and we can continue to the next step. They will ask you to select a country before you create a household, so just select a country from this list, and let's continue. Now, we'll have to enter in the name and the email address of the person that we want to add to our Amazon Prime household. So just type in a name and the email address, and make sure to type the email address correctly, because the invitation link will be sent to the email address of the person that we want to add. When you check your name and the email address, you can continue to the next step. Now tap on Agree and Continue. You will see a list of the features that you can enable or disable. So you can select all of these, or if you don't want to share a specific part, for example audiobooks, you can uncheck that if you don't want to share them with the other person. And then we just have to send our invite. When we click on this button, it's going to send an invitation link to the other person. That link will be valid for 14 days, and if they accept that invitation, they will be able to join your household. But that is essentially how you can easily share the Amazon Prime account membership. If you found this video helpful and want more similar tutorials, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.